Hi all, welcome to the long-term review of Week A15 Pro. This review is based on my usage of this Week A15 Pro for last 7 months. Apart from using this Week graphic tablet for drawing, editing related stuff, this has been my complete mouse replacement. Also, before we jump into this review, I prefer you guys to watch my unboxing plus impression video, which is like a initial review of this Week A15 Pro, where I cover most of the stuff related to this Week A15 Pro in a in-depth way. This video will not cover all the things mentioned over there because everything that I mentioned on that video remain unchanged for me till now. So first of all, on my impression video, I didn't mention that this Week A15 Pro support tilt support. So what I mean is that you can use this graphic tablet with your pen tilted. There is no tilt sensitivity on this Week A15 Pro. So if you don't know what is tilt sensitivity means, so when you tilt your pen, you can control the features like opacity, brush size, flow, like all that sort of small functions. So this Week tablet or this Week A15 Pro does not support tilt sensitivity. And the second thing is that about the Android compatibility. So it does support Android device, and when you connect this tablet with your Android device, your Week A15 Pro will be connected as a pointer device. Also make sure that you enable this OTG function on your Android device, otherwise this tablet will not get detected or will not work with your Android device. So some things to note when you use this graphic tablet on your Android device. First of all, the pen pressure will work on drawing softwares like Autodesk, Adobe Illustrator. I tested it on Autodesk and it's working. And second thing is that the graphic tablet is oriented portraitly to our device. So device and graphic tablet is in portrait mode. And if we rotate our device to landscape mode, still our graphic tablet will be in portrait mode. So the entire area of our Week A15 Pro become useless if you put your Android device into landscape mode. And the third thing that I want to mention about this Week A15 Pro is the software section. And I prefer you guys to watch this software section completely because this issue will not be affected by you guys because this issue is related to my workflow. So like I said, I use this graphic tablet as a complete mouse replacement. So I want to use this graphic tablet in all my software in a seamless way. This Week A15 Pro provides 3 configurations by which we can connect this tablet to our device. First one is the mouse mode, which will convert our tablet into mouse, which is not the one that I need because we will lose the precision that is offered by this graphic tablet while in pen mode. And the second and third configuration available for this Week A15 Pro is pen mode and the Windows ink mode. Pen mode will allow you to use this graphic tablet in graphic tablet way, and Windows ink mode will enable you to use this graphic tablet with the pen mode with the Windows ink function. So you will have a seamless experience when you enable this Windows ink. But both these options got problem. While using pen mode, you can't use this graphic tablet on administrative application like Task Manager and on all the applications that you run via administrative power. So I can't use this tablet in a seamless way, but there is an easy fix for that. Just close this graphic tablet software and run this graphic tablet software in administrative power. And on Windows Ink, the problem is that when you restart your device, all the Windows Ink functionality will be lost. There is a fix for that. Just close the graphic tablet software and reopen it again. It will fix the issue. But if you shut down your device while using Windows Ink, it won't cause this issue. So it is only related to restart. So these are the software issue that is faced by me, and you guys will not face this issue because you guys might use this graphic tablet for drawing slash photo editing slash video editing process. But if you are going to use this as a complete mouse replacement, you will face this issue. But on all the drawing software and on all the application like photo editing, video editing softwares, you will not face this issue because on all that application it is working perfectly and you won't face any of these works. So that's all about this long-term review of Week A15 Pro. I hope you guys find this video useful. If you do so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.